Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn various ways to say a little bit in Austrian German. We will cover standard situations as well as some special cases. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the Austrian German tutorial. Here we go. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn various ways to say a little bit in Austrian German. First of all, a little bit means ein bisschen in standard German. In Austria, you will often come across the phrase a bissl. A bissl. If it should sound a bit cuter, you may say a bisschen. A bisschen. A bissl mehr is a little more. A bissl weniger is a little less. A famous question in Austrian German sounds like "Darf's a bissl mehr sein?" Meaning, may I give you a little more than we've agreed on? Darf's a bissl mehr sein? Another form of saying a little bit in standard German is ein wenig. In Austrian German, you will hear the variations a weng, a wengl, a wengal. Sometimes you come across the phrase a wenig zweng, which means a little too little. A wenig zweng. Furthermore, the word Aurzerl plays an important role when it comes to say a little bit in Austrian German. Aurzerl. Es hat nur Aurzerl gefehlt, which means just a little bit was missing. Es hat nur Aurzerl gefehlt. A rather difficult word can be used to say a little bit in Austrian German as well, namely Quäntchen. Quäntchen. For instance, Austrians say ein Quäntchen Glück. A little bit of luck. A Quäntchen Glück. In a similar way, the words Hauch or Spur are used. Hauch, Spur. When it comes to cooking, a little bit can be described by some terms. Prise is a pinch. Eine Prise Salz, a Prise Salz, is a pinch of salt. And we can use Schuss or Spritze if we want to add some wine or milk. Ein Schuss Milch, ein Spritze Wein, a shot of milk, a shot of wine. Summing up, we can conclude that a bissl is the most common way to say a little bit in Austrian German, followed by a weng and a Aurzerl. So thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.